Hi guys, this is Chris and welcome to Conversion Chef. In this channel, we talk about Shopify applications to increase your conversion. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss any of our YouTube updates. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications we review. Please also visit our review blog, conversionskitchen.com, and mailing list conversionchef.club. Let's jump into the video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find a product from Aliexpress. So as you can see, we are now on the dashboard of the Aliexpress. On the left side, you may find here the different categories. So just filter the categories according to your niche. Now, the first thing you need to do is to set up your account as well as change these informations according to your target countries, the language, and the currency. Just save that. Another one that I recommend is that you use an e-packet finder, because with e-packet, it has a cheaper shipping rates as well as it has a faster delivery compared to the other couriers. This is one of the Aliexpress e-packet identificator, and there are also other Chrome extensions, but I am using it for now. So just add this to Chrome so you will be able to automatically identify if the product or the supplier has an e-packet. So what I do in product research is I have two categories. The first one, if it really catches the attention of your buyers. So is it very attractive enough for them to buy? Or second one is, does it solve a specific problem? To do that, just go to the categories and find a product according to your niche. So since our niche is on the outdoor fun and sports, let's go to that. So I already added the e-packet Chrome extension. That's why I can see that these products, it's either has an e-packet with free shipping or an e-packet with an amount to pay. So this is a great feature because it really is very easy for you to identify which products has this e-packet. On top, of course, you have here the prices. You may set a minimum and maximum price. Ship from. You may also filter free shipping or 4-star rating and up, your best match orders. Let's say that we would like to have the products with higher orders. So you may find here the different products with the greatest orders. Sometimes the store owners or product researchers will not get those products with the highest orders because they think that is already saturated. But for me, it is a great category because it only means that this supplier or this product is really on demand. So that is one thing to consider. So just scroll into these products and find the best products for you to sell on your store. So now, for example, I already had found my product, and that is the yoga mat. So just let's search the yoga mat. Once you have found your product to sell on your dropshipping store or on the different platforms, of course, the second thing you need to do is to find the best supplier for you to partner with. So let's say that we would like to find the best supplier for these yoga mats. So we are now on the product page of the yoga mat. The things you need to consider for your suppliers is the first one is the ratings of this product. So this has a great rating with 4.7 stars of average ratings from 1,111 reviews with 1,655 orders. So this is a great record already. And the second one is the feedback. Feedbacks of this the feedback of this product is very important because in that case you will be able to see what is the quality of this product, how does it look in person, and how many days does it took to deliver to your customers. So let's go to the feedback or customer reviews. On the customer reviews, just scroll on these reviews and find a review that talks about the quality and the shipping time. So with this one, it says here that it is brought quickly, the quality is good, already tried, and nothing broke. So this is a great review. You may also see here the actual photos. So this is also good because it says here the mat took away at the point of self-delivery for 6 days after the order. Overall, this product is amazing, as well as the delivery and the quality of this product. There are also other suppliers, so we are going to check that also. So this one is the second product and supplier. So it has a 4.8 star reviews. The first one has 4.7, so it has higher. However, the number of reviews is lower, but the orders is higher. So let's see the reviews, of course. Okay, so let's check the reviews for this product. So it says here that the mat came very quickly with the product from the buyers. So it says here that it took 15 days to ship or to receive the item. So that is a very great number of days that it took to deliver to your customers. So you can consider that. So it says here that if they have paid for the carriage and the mat arrived in less than a week, that is a very good sign. So another review says here that the order came in 3 weeks, which is good. The quality is excellent. The autopsy was a little smell but quickly left. So this is a great review because you already have here the time span of the delivery time as well as the quality of the item. In general, this is also a good product from a different supplier. If you are torn between the two suppliers, another thing to consider is the review of the store. So on this one, it has a 97.2% positive feedback, and as well as an above average with the items, the communication, and the shipping speed. So let's see the other one. So it has a lower seller rating. It only have a 95.2% positive feedback with below average ratings on the item, communication, and shipping speed. It is really obvious that this Sportland store is the better supplier for this product. So before you decide, just contact first these suppliers and ask them if they do drop shipping, because there are times that these suppliers are not open to drop shipping. So that is a negative point to consider. So that's just how to find a product on AliExpress. The first thing you need to do is find a product according to your niche. So there are different categories on Aliexpress. The next one is to find the best supplier, consider e-packet, and find for the quality of the product as well as the delivery time on the reviews or feedback of the product page. The second one is you need to contact your suppliers so you would be able to confirm if you are on the same page. So I guess that's everything on how to find a product on AliExpress. The next thing you need to do is to import these products on your own store. So that would be a different video, and I hope that I would see you on the next one. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and we are happy to hear from you on the comment section. Visit our YouTube channel Conversion Chef for more videos about reviews of Shopify applications that can help you increase or boost your sales. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications and our mailing list. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified with our new updates. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!